Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name's Leah. Today we are going to be unboxing the Taco Bell Miniverse kits. I've been really excited to get into these. Let's do it. Alright, first let's take a look at this. Appears that we have the Cantina Chicken Bowl. These are all the recipes you can get. Let's see what we have. Cute packaging. Slow roasted chicken. Taco Bell name and logo used under license. Okay. Oh yeah, little chicken bits. Look at the detail on that. Oh, that's pretty cute. Pico de gallo. And sour cream. Looks like a little dollop of sour cream in there. Right on. Guacamole, beans, and rice. Looks like this is the kinetic sand. Oh, look at the beans. Cute. Next up, we have cheese, lettuce, and purple cabbage. Tiny little fork. Awesome little Taco Bell serving tray. Chicken Cantina takeout container. Oof, let's get that open. Cool. Oh, that's pretty big actually. Avocado verde sauce. Got some tongs. And your bell topper, or your ball topper. Taco Bell ball topper. And your nozzle. There you have it, the Chicken Cantina bowl. Funny story about this kit. This was the last one I was looking for. I needed it. I was looking everywhere. I ordered a bunch from Amazon. It didn't come in my Amazon order. I ordered 8 from there. And then one day my mom was breaking down the cardboard in the recycling bin outside before putting it out on the street, and she found this ball along with another one still in the box in the recycling bin. So I don't know how that happened, but we have it, and I'm stoked I found it because apparently it's the rare. Here are the deets on this. Let's see what's in this one. I use the pinhole hat. You know, you know. This is the Crunch Wrap. Crunch Wrap shells. Lettuce and tomatoes. Corn tostada. Seasoned beef. This is some of that kinetic sand again. Ooh. Bell topper. And by bell topper, I mean bell ball topper. Ball topper. Again. Nacho cheese sauce. It's very realistic looking nacho cheese. It's a good material for that. Good choice. Oh, look at these. How cute are those? Hot. Too good to not be true. There's even more fine print. That's pretty cool. I like. crunch wrap wrapper. Bag. Oh, it's a little brown bag. Cute. Taco Bell tray. Our sour cream resin. And there you have it, the crunch wrap. Let's move on to the next. Our 3 out of 5 balls that we're unboxing in part 1 today. Stick around for the last one. That's the limited edition. And if you haven't done so already, hit that subscribe button if you're into Miniverse. If you're into unboxings and everything miniature, custom builds, remixes, all that fun stuff. What's it gonna be? Spicy potato soft tacos. That sounds delicious because I absolutely love tater tots, which I'm assuming they're tater tots. Flour tortilla. Yeah. These are really jelly. Squishy feeling. A bag of shredded lettuce. We have a bag of shredded cheese. Potato bites. Okay, they're not tater tots. They're legit little potatoes. Let's cut it open. Okay, seasoned potatoes. Okay, little wrappers. Looks like we get 2 of those. Taco Bell serving tray. Chipotle sauce. Have your tongs. Ball topper. And the cutest sauce packet. So this time we have a new one and it's fire. Didn't hear it from me. Okay. And then the mild one. There you have it. The spicy potato soft taco recipe. What do we have next? Churro, chiller, and cinnamon twists. Let's go for the box first. Oh, those are so cute. How detailed. These are dead on. I remember eating these all the time when I was a little kid. And we went to Taco Bell quite a bit back then in the 90s. It's funny, I actually haven't had Taco Bell probably for like 15 years. And then these kits came out and I've had Taco Bell like 5 times the last month. Churro crumbles. Crunchy. We have crushed ice. Mexican chocolate. That sounds delicious. Churro jailer. Our tray. Oh, that's a nice cup. All right, that looks like it. Where's our straw? Gotta really check those packages. Our little, here's a little holder for our churro or cinnamon twists. And then our straw. There you go, the churro chiller cinnamon twists. Let's move on to the next one. And here it is, the limited edition, special edition, cheesy nacho fries, which are ridiculously delicious. Crispy chicken nuggets and nacho fries. You get a lot in this kit. Here's the back. Mixing bowl. Cutest little fry box. Bell sauce, Taco Bell. Okay, bell sauce. Cap, sticker, cover. This is a little box. Okay, cute. I like to try to keep the packaging as much intact as I can. I like to use it for crafts and remixes. Chicken nuggets. What do these look like? Let's open that up quick. Very chicken nuggety. A black tray, that's cool. Ball topper. Tiny sauce container, that's pretty cute. Cheese cup. Here's our nacho fries. Fry seasoning. Sauce bag. Tongs. Sauce brush. Silicone. It's pretty cool. Nacho cheese sauce. Resin. Just keeps going. Last item, and this is the bell sauce. There you have it, the crispy chicken nuggets and nacho fries recipes from the Taco Bell series. This is the limited edition kit. Which recipe was your favorite out of all the ones that we pulled today? I'm personally really excited to do the churro chiller. That's the first 5 balls so far. We have 5 more to go. Subscribe if you want to catch part 2. We'll be doing the remaining 5 balls and including the last limited edition kit. Thank you everybody for joining me today and enjoy your day. Bye bye.